Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace the battery for your Toyota Corolla or Camry remote key fob battery. So with this one here, what we want to do is turn it around. This is the battery cover, and in here there is a notch. What you want to do is put a flat screwdriver in here into that hole and then kind of like flip it up. So I'm going to try to kind of like flip it up to open it. And once it has opened, you can now open up the orange seal. Okay, so you just need to pull out the orange seal, and in here is the battery. So the battery that you will need is CR2032. So get this battery. Now there is a small hole, you can just pull out the battery like that. When putting in a new battery, make sure the plus sign is facing upward like this, and then just push it down. So the plus sign is facing upward, and then we'll put the seal back in. This will help prevent the water from coming in, and then just close the cover. Just simply push it down, and that's it. And that's how you can replace the battery for your Toyota Camry or Corolla 2018 to 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.